Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how can you access the voice logs for your AI agents in HighLevel. So this feature will not only tell you the timestamps as well as the durations, but it will also uncover the summary or the transcript of the call, and it will also show you if any actions were triggered during the call. So let's go ahead on my screen right here where I'll show you how this works. So I'm going to head over to settings right here, and in this sub account I already have a voice AI agent set up. So if I open this right here, you'll see my agent created here. So I'll just click on this, and here you can see my setup. And if I head over to agent goals, I do have some action set up here like a call transfer. And then if you click on the call logs, you will see all the information that I talked about initially here. So we can see the name of the contact that it collected, then the phone number, and we can also see the timestamp as well as the duration. And then we also have a couple of actions that can be really helpful. So we have the summary here. It will tell you what happened during the call in a very brief manner. And then you can also click on transcript to see exactly word for word what happened during the call. So this can be really helpful, especially when you are in the start and you're training your bot and you're trying to see how it is responding to different people, so you can optimize it on the go. So this is how it can be really helpful. And then we have one more column here, which is actions triggered. So if any action took place, which will be set up under agent goals, like I have a call transfer set up here, so that should reflect here once it happens over a call. Now, in order to check the actions triggered, if it actually works, we're going to go ahead and call our number that is set up for the bot. So I'm just going to go and make the call right now, and I'll put this on speaker so you guys can hear this as well.
Hey, you have reached ABC Carpet Cleaning. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking to get my carpets cleaned.
Great. Could I have your name, please?
Yeah, this is John.
Thanks, John. Could you also share your email address so we can keep you updated?
Yeah, my email is john@gmail.com.
Got it, John. Just to confirm, that's john@gmail.com, right?
Yep, that is correct.
Awesome. Could you also provide your address so we can arrange the service for you?
Yeah, it is Main Street, Kendall Park, New Jersey.
Thanks for that, John. Could you provide the house number on Main Street?
Yeah, it's 123.
Perfect. So that's 123 Main Street, Kendall Park, New Jersey. Now, could you tell me a bit about the carpet cleaning service you're looking for?
Yeah, I have got a couple of rooms and my dog pooped on one of them, so I'm looking to get those clean, please.
Oh no, I totally get it. Pets can be a handful sometimes. I've noted that down. A team member will reach out to you soon to help with the cleaning service. Anything else you'd like to add?
Is there a possibility that I could speak to somebody right now, like to your manager or somebody, because I'm in sort of an urgency?
Please wait while we connect you to our manager. I've connected you to a manager who can assist you right away.
It just got hung up because the number that is forwarding to is actually my number, so it actually created a loop, but it should have done the call transfer. So we can actually go ahead and test the call log. So if we do a quick refresh, it should arrive in a few seconds here. Boom, there you go. So you can see that under actions triggered, it does say that the transfer call to manager did happen. So you can see how cool it is. So it will tell you exactly what you need to know about the call. And you can also click on summary here, where it will tell you what happened during the call. It will collect the name as well. And then you can also click on the transcript to see what exactly happened during the whole call. So this was how you can leverage the call logs to see how your bot is performing, and you can see the actions triggered during the call, access summary, timestamps, and everything. And this will help you give some key information, and you can use that to optimize your bot and make it even better day by day. I hope this video provided some value. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them below and we'll get back to you.